Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a unboxing. It's not really a first impression because I did open this package up yesterday. I was super anxious and I could not wait to open it up, but I did want to share it with you all. Oh, and by the way, if you see this outfit on in another video, that's because I am doing a few videos today. I know for sure I am recording 2. I want to record 3, but I'm probably going to stop at 2. But if you happen to see 1 or more video with me wearing this, that's because they were all filmed today. So let's just get started. This is an unboxing of my Gucci Marmont mini bag. I've been wanting this bag for a while, but you know, I'm kind of cheap. I'm one of those people, like, I want something. If I see something and I want it, sometimes it takes me a while to buy it. I have to like really make sure I want it. And this is, when you buying luxury items, you have to make sure that this is something like you really want to invest your money in, because as we all know, Gucci is not cheap. But anyway, let's just get right into it. The classic, not classic, but this, yeah, classic Gucci bag that everything comes in. This is what the box looks like. It did have a bow on it, but like I said, I was so anxious last night, I took the damn bow off and I did not put it back. This box has like a magnetic opening where it kind of just sticks back together or whatever. And this is how it is packaged. I will say, like, when I got this bag last night in the mail, like, when I say they had this thing packed tight, like, they had it packed tight. They was making sure, like, it was not coming out of this box, no matter what. What it looks like. And of course, comes with the Gucci envelope inside. I'm not going to even go through all the stuff, but it has the return label, the thank you little card, and this is like all the return instructions, because being with everything that's going on, like, they really want you to return certain things within a certain time frame, due to, like, you know, I don't know if you could say the words still yet on YouTube, but matter of fact, due to COVID, y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I don't want to tear the wrapping paper, so I'm just going to slide it out like that, because I feel like I can use this paper for something else. And it comes in the dust bag. This is what the dust bag looks like. And yesterday when I got it, it did have like the styrofoam things on it, but I took it off because, like I said, I was super anxious. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It is very small. Well, not very small. It is a tiny bag. I don't know why lately I'm into carrying smaller bags, because I just don't like carrying a lot of things with me. So to me, this will be perfect. And on the back of it, it has the GG again, where you can, I believe you could carry it on this side and that side, whatever side you choose to carry it on. And the straps are adjustable. Comes with, okay, here's I guess it's like the authenticity card that comes in it. Paper. Then it has one pocket, and the inside this feels like suede. Yeah, I'm assuming that this is suede. Based on the inside, like, I don't think, like, I wouldn't even try to carry makeup in this, like, even though you can't carry that much in it, but I wouldn't, just based off of it being suede, and I wouldn't want to take the chance of messing this up. But this feels so nice. Y'all see, like, I'm rubbing on it, like, this feels so good. And I paid, well, the price of the bag is I think it was like $9.80. I can't remember, but with tax I paid $1,044, and to me it is so worth it. Like, I love it. It matches my sandals, it matches my belt. Like, I can't wait to wear this. This is just so beautiful. Like, I love this bag, and I've been wanting it for a long time. But yeah, I'm gonna go, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.